so we got something new that's going on. I have a corporate citizen V3 program. It's 25,000. It's a personal coaching program. Now the 25,000 will be wired to me, email for instructions, and also there's a payment plan. Let me tell you how this works. First of all, there's no set course because it will be a custom course designed exclusively for you to get you to making $250,000. That's the whole gist of this program. So if you are interested, I have a set of questions I will send to you, and then we can begin the process. Below that is the King program, where you can actually go ahead and do group training and work on a similar goal, but it's group training. It's $3,000 or it's a $200 a month payment plan. Links below. Also, there's a Whatnot course. Well, not Whatnot course, but we'll link to my Whatnot channel in the email, because some people say, hey, let us know what you're doing on Whatnot because we want to support. So that link's below. All right, so listen to this whole video from the beginning to the end. And someone is here eating quite a bit. So, all right, this is what's going on. I can't change the channel name because we're still dealing with the hacking issue. So in the future, this channel will be known as Hustlers Kung Fu Savage Finance Personal Money. That's going to be the name of the channel. And what I'm going to do is, this is going to be a personal finance channel. That's what I'm going to do here. And then Hustlers Kung Fu Wealth Development will be where the business content will go. But we're going to get into some wild stuff over here. And talking today, the very first video is how to wickedly pay off your car extremely fast. Now, first thing we need to talk about is things you need to do. A lot of stuff on YouTube is, in my opinion, bullshit. It's just bullshit. So the first thing that you need to do is create additional income. You cannot do this out of your personal income, because your personal income is the reason that you're in this problem to begin with, because it's not enough money. All right, so the first thing we want to do is set a goal of creating additional income of $600 per month, ideally $1,000. Now we'll give you the breakdown. Let's say you buy a car, and the car is like, car payment is $750 per month. You'll end up paying like $46,000 over 5 years. However, let's just go ahead and get away from 600. Let's go ahead and say you're going to go for gusto, and you're going to create an additional $1,000 per month to pay on your car. Now, what will happen is you would make your monthly payment, your regular payment, to keep your credit straight, and then you would do what's called a principal payment. You would write a check. Many of these online payment portals have it where you can do a principal payment only, where all of the money goes straight to the principal. Now, if you do this $1,000 additional payment, which means that your payment, but you'll be paying like $1,750 per month for your car. Now, $1,000 gets your car paid off in 22 months and saves you $6,500 in interest. Now, here's something that's interesting. Now you have a car paid off, and now you have $1,750 additional income. There'll be more stuff up there, but this is kind of a back-end video, things you can do, because this is for people who want to actually do savage finance. Not live a regular life, not live a regular finance thing, but actually live life savagely finance. Now, where did I come up with this? When I bought my Porsche, I had to finance it because they came in on a Saturday and I couldn't get to the bank to get the money. So I went through this period where, incidentally, the Porsche dealership, the Porsche payment portal only allows $10,000 payments. I thought was kind of crazy. So what I did is I wrote a check for $85,000 and I put going toward principal interest on the check, and I mailed it to Porsche. And guess what Porsche did? They took the check and they applied it to the principal, which dramatically pulled down my principal. And I actually paid that car off in 5 months. So this is one of the ways that you can escape regular people money, financing, and all this other stuff. So this is what's going to be happening on this channel, and this is what we're going to be talking about. Extreme money management. Now, the next video is probably going to be about the 5 personal checking accounts, which are going to be radically different. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned, and I'll get that to you shortly.